In this lecture, I will show you how to export our composition as a video file. Let's choose one of our composition. For example, old stuff. We have this. The duration of composition is controlling with this area. You can increase and decrease it. Now our composition is 10 seconds. But if I will put the array to 7 seconds, it will render only this interval. If I will decrease the area, it also will render only that area. Let's put it on 6 seconds and 14 frame. For rendering, press Ctrl M. So you will add that composition on render queue. Let's begin from output model settings. I will show you the main themes. If composition have sound or any audio, it will shown here. Here you can crop or resize it, but it's not necessary to do. Try to not do it if it's not needed. Then open formats. I advise you to choose QuickTime format. QuickTime have codecs. Let me show you. Go to format options. Now I have here H264. You can choose other codecs. As a second variant, you can choose animation codec. The video with this codec will have huge size, very huge size, but quality will be the best. And H264 is a simple MP4 video codec. There's many codecs, but other codecs I never needed to use. I will choose H264, press OK. We have two channels here, RGB and alpha. You can choose RGB plus alpha only in animation codec. I will show you it later at the end. Here is output to model. It will show you the render destination. Here is render settings. I recommend you not to touch it. There is quality, there's frame rate. You can write your frame rate here, but you don't need it because you can do it when you're creating a composition. Okay, let me show you the alpha. Go to circle 2, click on toggle transparency grid. It's showing us that there is no background. But on all stuff, composition will not see alpha background because we already have this background solid. But on other comps, we will see alpha because there is no background. You can press Ctrl M to add it to render queue. Go to output model, choose QuickTime, choose codec animation. Okay. Now you can choose the RGB plus alpha, and it will render video without background color. You will get only the shape that you did after rendering. You will be able to put it on your other videos like overlay in any video program. Then click on render. That's all.